How to delete Messenger group chat. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Open any group chat from here. Go to the top and tap on the group name. Scroll down to the end and tap on Leave Chat. Tap on Leave again to confirm. You have now successfully left this group. As you can see, the group has also been removed from your chats list. You can repeat the same steps to delete other group chats. Following these steps, you can easily delete Messenger group chat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.